Service in northern Indiana has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Noble County in northeastern Indiana, northwestern Whitley County in northeastern Indiana, east central Kosciusko County, Indiana, until 11:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over North Webster, or 9 miles northeast of Winona Lake, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicates. The tornado warning for east central Kosciusko County is canceled. The tornadic thunderstorm which prompted the warning has moved out of the warned area. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northeastern Indiana. A tornado warning remains in effect until 11:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for southwestern Noble and northwestern Whitley counties. At 10:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near North Webster, or 7 miles south of Ligonier, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Etna, Cromwell, Wilmot, Kimmel, and Matt Lake. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This cluster of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a tornado